Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Do you say, I clean my room, but native speakers say, I clean up my room? Do you say, I put my clothes in the closet, but native speakers say, I put my clothes away? Today we will learn 5 simple phrasal verbs for housework. They are easy, they are useful, and you can use them every day at home.
That sounds useful. I know the word clean, but I often hear clean up. Is it the same meaning?
Good question. Sometimes it is close, but phrasal verbs can sound more natural. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about housework in a more natural way. Hello and welcome back to English Through Book Idea. Today's lesson is about phrasal verbs for housework.
Housework means things we do at home, right? Like cleaning the room, washing dishes, and taking out the trash?
Exactly. Housework is part of daily life, so these phrasal verbs are very useful for real English conversation. Today you will learn 5 common phrasal verbs: clean up, tidy up, put away, take out, and wipe down.
That feels good. Only 5. That feels good, not too many.
Yes, we will learn slowly. You will hear the meaning, examples, mini dialogues, common mistakes, and practice sentences. First, what is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a verb plus a small word. For example, up, out, off, on, in, or away.
So, clean up is a phrasal verb. Clean is the verb and up is the small word.
That's right. But be careful, the meaning can change. For example, put means place something somewhere, but put away means put something in its correct place after using it.
Oh, so put away your clothes means put them in the closet or drawer?
Exactly. Simple and useful. Phrasal verb number 1, clean up. Clean up means to make a place clean or to remove dirt and mess. It is very common in daily conversation. Clean up is separable. That means you can say, clean up the kitchen or clean the kitchen up.
Can I say, I need to clean up my room?
Yes, very natural. Here are more examples. I need to clean up the living room. Let's clean up after dinner. She cleaned up the kitchen before her guests arrived.
What about I clean up it?
That is a common mistake. Don't say clean up it. Say clean it up. With a pronoun like it or them, put it in the middle. Clean it up. Clean them up.
So I can say, the kitchen is messy. I'll clean it up.
Perfect. Pronunciation tip, stress the word up. Clean up. Clean it up. Phrasal verb number 2, tidy up. Tidy up means to make a place neat and organized. It is common in daily conversation. It is similar to clean up, but not exactly the same.
What is the difference?
Clean up often means removing dirt or mess. Tidy up means putting things in order. For example, books on the shelf, clothes in the closet, toys in a box.
So if my room is not dirty, but things are everywhere, I should tidy up.
Exactly. Here are examples. I need to tidy up my desk. Please tidy up your room before dinner. We tidied up the house before our friends came over. Can I say, tidy my room up? Yes, tidy up is separable. You can say, tidy up my room or tidy my room up, but with a pronoun, say, tidy it up, not tidy up it.
Let's make a dialogue.
Okay. The living room looks messy.
I know. I'll tidy it up now.
Great. I'll help you put the books on the shelf.
Thank you. That sounds faster.
Phrasal verb number 3, put away. Put away means to put something in its correct place after using it. It is very common in daily English. Put away is separable.
So after I wash my clothes, I put them away.
Yes. You put clothes in the closet, you put dishes in the cabinet, you put toys in the toy box. That is putting things away.
Can you give me examples?
Of course. Please put away your clothes. I need to put the dishes away. The children put away their toys after playing.
Can I say, put away them?
No, that is a common mistake. Say, put them away. With a pronoun, put it in the middle. Put it away. Put them away.
Let me try. The dishes are dry. I'll put them away.
Excellent. That sounds very natural. Phrasal verb number 4, take out. Take out means to remove something from inside and put it outside. For housework, we often say, take out the trash. It is very common in daily conversation. Take out is separable.
So, take out the trash means bring the trash outside.
Exactly. Here are examples. Can you take out the trash? I took the garbage out this morning. Please take the recycling out tonight.
Can I say, take out it?
No, say take it out. For example, the trash is full. Can you take it out?
Let's do a short dialogue.
Okay. The trash can is full.
No problem. I'll take it out.
Thank you. Please put in a new trash bag too.
Sure, I'll do it now.
Phrasal verb number 5, wipe down. Wipe down means to clean the surface of something with a cloth. For example, a table, a kitchen counter, a mirror, or a desk. It is common in daily conversation, especially when talking about cleaning surfaces. Wipe down is separable.
So I can wipe down the table after dinner?
Yes, very natural. Examples: please wipe down the table. I wiped the kitchen counter down. She wipes down her desk every morning.
Can I say wipe down it?
No, say wipe it down. For example, the table is dirty. Please wipe it down.
I like this one. It is very useful.
Yes, and here's a pronunciation tip. Say it smoothly. Wipe down. Wipe it down. Wipe the table down. Now, let's practice a real-life conversation. Listen for all 5 phrasal verbs: clean up, tidy up, put away, take out, and wipe down.
The house is a little messy today.
Yes, let's clean up before our friends arrive.
Good idea. I'll tidy up the living room.
Great. I'll put away the clean dishes.
Can you take out the trash too? The trash can is full.
Sure. After that, I'll wipe down the kitchen counter.
Perfect. If we work together, we can finish quickly.
Exactly. Now let's review the phrasal verbs in that conversation. Clean up means make a place clean. Tidy up means make a place neat. Put away means put things in the correct place. Take out means move something outside, like trash. Wipe down means clean a surface with a cloth. Now let's look at common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Wrong, please clean it up. Correct, please clean it up. When you use it, put it in the middle.
So not clean up it, but clean it up.
Exactly. Mistake number 2. Wrong, I need to put them away. Correct, I need to put them away. Again, with them, put it in the middle.
Put them away. Got it.
Mistake number 3. Wrong, I take out the room. Correct, I clean up the room or tidy up the room. We take out trash, garbage, or recycling. We do not take out a room.
That makes sense.
Mistake number 4. Wrong, I wiped down my clothes. Correct, I wiped down the table. We wipe down surfaces, not clothes. For clothes, we wash them.
So wipe down the table, wipe down the desk, wipe down the counter.
Perfect. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I need to clean up the kitchen.
I need to clean up the kitchen.
Please tidy up your desk.
Please tidy up your desk.
Put your clothes away.
Put your clothes away.
Can you take out the trash?
Can you take out the trash?
Wipe down the table after dinner.
Wipe down the table after dinner.
Now fill in the blanks. Number 1, the trash is full. Please take it blank. The answer is out. Please take it out.
Please take it out.
Number 2, your books are everywhere. Please put them blank. The answer is away. Please put them away.
Please put them away.
Number 3, the table is dirty. Please wipe it blank. The answer is down. Please wipe it down.
Please wipe it down.
Practice questions. What do you need to clean up today? What do you usually put away before bed? Who takes out the trash in your home?
Try answering out loud. Simple sentences are okay.
Let's review today's 5 phrasal verbs. Clean up means make a place clean. Example, I need to clean up the kitchen.
Tidy up means make a place neat. Example, please tidy up your room.
Put away means put something in the correct place. Example, put your clothes away.
Take out means move something outside, like trash. Example, can you take out the trash?
Wipe down means clean a surface with a cloth. Example, wipe down the table after dinner.
These are simple but very useful.
Yes, use them at home today. Great job today. You learned 5 useful phrasal verbs for housework. Clean up, tidy up, put away, take out, and wipe down.
Now I can talk about housework more naturally. I can say, I'll tidy up the room, or can you take out the trash?
Exactly. Now, write one sentence in the comments using one of today's phrasal verbs. For example, I need to clean up my room today.
Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to English Through Book Idea for more easy English lessons.
And remember, small practice every day makes your English stronger. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.